Waterfalls right up here. And they're coming down in these little holes right behind me. I'm literally walking over a little snow bridge right over this waterfall. I bought some roast beef for breakfast, but now as I'm reading the label more clearly, it says roast beef, caramel color added. Whatever happened to keeping it simple? Caramel color? Have they lost their fucking minds? It's beef, nature's multivitamin. Why fuck with it? I'm gonna get out of this bowl up here. I mean, I'm up here and I don't even know where the trail goes anymore.